part is e-content development. So this e-content development I already told you. In this I am going to cover video lecture creation. There are almost 10 to 12 methods you will going to learn. I will take it fast, and tomorrow if you need somewhere at the practice session, then we'll add something. Whenever you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me, and we'll cover that also during your other sessions. So video lectures creation you can create with your mobile phone. There are with only mobile phone and with some of the softwares you can create a video lectures. The first is mobile phone only, mobile phone with an, so you can go with this one also, mobile phone with board, mobile phone with tabletop, mobile phone and smart TV, mobile screen recorder. Then Filmix, OBS Studio, Zoom, Filmora 9, Render Forest, Animate. So these are some of the tools I am going to teach you about e-content development, that is video lectures. So if you have only mobile phone, then also you can create a very effective lectures. Why I am suggesting to create your own videos also, because you all of you know the students are loving to watch the videos also. And if you create your videos, like if you are teaching a topic of exchange of monies, or the money ka kuch agar aap mathematics ka topic padha rahe ho, so like that, if you prepare videos of 2 teachers and how to go with this one. So I just started with this marketing, and I had enjoyed. So request you again, you can develop your own content. Some points, if you are using a mobile phone, you ensure that you having a good light effect, good sound quality. You can use front or back camera. You can use a tripod, helper, or jugaad. So there are in the market lots of tripods are available. You can use that one. How to add the text, that I will cover with one app. So you can even an arrangement, if tripod is not available, you can arrange with this kind of jugaad also. You can buy certain things from the market with a very less cost. 750 mein ek they stand. So this Boya BY-M1 mic aa jata hai, so sound quality is very important. You are already creating an videos, it's very good, and you had gone with this workshop. Just so I will go with a quickly with these kinds of device that you can use to create an video lectures. If you have board, and then you can use this mobile phone and board. You remember, just text should be visible. Whiteboard, use a whiteboard with a black marker. You can't use the front camera in this type of lecture. To use a good sound quality, light effect that you have to maintain, and tripod and helper, and you can take the jugaad also in the same way. Just you have to remember, you can't use the front camera if you have a text on the board, because this mirror image you will get. Moving ahead, for mathematics problem, very simple method that I am going to show you. You just arrange some of the jugaad, like an arrange, it's called a tabletop method. Keep your mobile on the scale, somewhat wooden scale, and give certain heights. Even in a drawing also you can do this. And the mathematics subjects are some of the things that you can use. Arrange your mobile phone as per your sheet, and just on your videos and speak step by step. Prepare a jugaad, set the angle of your sheet, and start video, start speaking, and solve step by step. This is also very effective method. You can, if you are at home and you have no LCD projector, you can use your television as an LCD projector, smart TV if you are having pen drive. You prepare a PowerPoint presentation of your course. Then there is the option save interchange file format, JPEG format. Your entire presentations will get converted into image format. And then just copy that presentation in the pen drive and insert this pen drive in your smart TV, and use your TV remote to move the slides, and just start speaking and record your videos. So you can use like a classroom LCD projector, and you can shoot your lectures. Very simple method. Many times, many teachers has asked me about this, how to record the Google Meet as well as the session on the mobile phone. UV mobile smartphone having a screen recorder. So even those who are now, attending my session and they want to record my session, they just go on the apps of screen recorder, and just on the app, entire my videos get recorded. So this is a screen recorder app. If you want to teach something, you can create a video, just open the screen and start speaking, your video gets recorded. So this is very important app. Suppose you had prepared a presentation, you had open on your mobile phone, you have to just speak each slides, your presentation get recorded and in the video format, and you can share to your students also. So very beautiful way. Just open the file. You can open the website also. You can open PDF also. You can record. Even students can record your live sessions on any whatever they are watching. So be ensure. In cyber security tips, I had added this point also. So we have to be careful. All these viewer sessions get recorded. Whatever the things are get recorded. So be careful when you are teaching on online. You don't use any word that will hamper on your personality, on your image, whenever you are going with this online teaching. So I had added the last 2-3 slides on this cyber security and these tools, so that you will again we'll go with that one. So this is a very important tool, this mobile screen recorder. It is default in many here. If it is not, there is one more app is there, vRecorder app, which is some added advantage with this one. So vRecorder में आप live उसको, you can mark something and students can see. So vRecorder app, you just go on the Google Play Store and you can download. So what is the difference between vRecorder and just recording app? So you can use this, you can use your own video also. If you want to use the PowerPoint presentation, now you are watching my body language and my face. If you are directly using recorder and you want to record your videos, you can't go with this one only. And so this is vRecorder app simultaneously with your video, like how I am, interacting with you. You can use it, and you can even highlight certain points. If you had opened certain websites like, simple interest ka topic, you want to teach the topic of simple interest, and you have only mobile device in your hand, and your students want to see you as an instructor, as well as you want to highlight certain point. Very interesting app, vRecorder app, that you can use. And you are at a remote place and you have a class online and you have to teach and you have no laptop available. You just use this desktop, you just open the PPT, PDF or any text on your screen and just place the button of vRecorder on, and just the camera get on, your front camera, and immediately you can go with the live session, with the video recording, and you can post that video recording also. The next app that I am going to tell you, that is Filmix, is a very beautiful app. So many videos I had prepared with this Filmix app. So this app is very interesting. The beauty of this app is, you can compress the size of video. Many times we are not able to reduce the size of video. You can edit the videos. You can upload the videos directly on YouTube channel also. So Filmix, go on this. There are so many apps I had used, but I am suggesting you Filmix because many apps are paid apps. Filmix app is a free app, just free version. This paid version is also available, but free version may at corner there is just a small logo of Filmix. If you visit my YouTube channel, you will come to know this. So you have to understand this as a Filmix app, and you can create this and you can go ahead. The beauty of this app, as I told you, just input whatever the video that you had prepared with your mobile phone and you want to add it a certain script, you can cut certain portion of video. You can club 2, 3, 4 videos with the help of this app. You can add the text, you can add background music in your video. So you can make an professional videos of your course content. You can add the pictures at particular place also. So these are certain things, that is clip edit, text you can add, effects you can add, multi music that you can add, and there are so many editing options are available on this app. Very simple to operate, very useful. And you can add a particular length of your text. You can add your name and something, and I just put the Dr. V.R. Malkar, so like that I can put the name. So there you find the option of cut the videos. You can split the videos into parts. You can zoom, you can rotate, you can copy, you can increase the speed of video. Sometimes if you find that your videos is too much slow, so you can use that one. Very easy to handle, although you learn so many tools, but I strongly recommend this because of after using so many tools, I am very happy with these tools of Filmix. You can, at the end, you can save this in your gallery, or you can directly share towards your students with the help of WhatsApp or YouTube. Your own YouTube channel you can share. Moving ahead, next tools that I am going to show you about an video lecture, that is OBS Studio. Is a very widely used open source software, and nowadays majority of teachers are using this OBS Studio. Even and YouTubers, trainers are using this OBS Studio. And this OBS Studio again is a screen recorder of your laptop. I had shown you the view recorder. Here, this is a screen recorder. Again, if you see my YouTube channel, you will find out again majority of this PowerPoint presentation video I had prepared with this OBS Studio. The beauty of this app, it is offline. You can prepare all these things once you downloaded these softwares. There is no need to prepare your videos for as an internet connection. There is no required any kind of licenses. It's an open source. It is compatible to Windows, Macs, and Linux also, and very widely used worldwide. I had prepared just this video how to use this OBS Studio, and it has been seen by more than 8,000 people in the last 2 months. So if you just download it on your laptop or desktop, and you will find the icon of this OBS Studio like this. Then this is the window that you will getting. At the initial, it is sometimes you feel that this is some complicated, but certain settings once you did, it will be a lifetime for you. The setting is like this. So here there is a scene, display capture, video capture. So you just add here, and then whatever on your screen, it's get captured. Then you just go on the settings here. You just go on the settings, and there are certain audio, video settings. You can output in which format of video. So you can go with MP4 format, MOV format, or in which VLC format you want the videos. So they will ask you. So you just go with this video, which types of video, audio also, that you will have to come up with this one. And you can go with the settings, and these settings will be the final settings that once you did. And so this also this is a very effective tools that that widely used. Even you can use your video at the corner. You use the video at the corner, and you can speak your PowerPoint presentation. The ways similarly I had shown you on a mobile view recorder. It is on laptop. So recently, if you again see some videos I had prepared, you can adjust your window at any place on the screen of your laptop, and you can adjust your presentation, and you just speak. Your videos get created. These are very effective tools that you can use. Once you just create, so you see many of videos. The important things here, you have to prepare your PowerPoint presentations or PDFs, whatever, or even you can open live websites. अगर आपको कोई websites दिखाना है, you want to show certain websites, live websites, and you want to prepare the video, just open and just go with the screen, and you will get an idea about this one. You can use, for the better results of audio, you can use this Boya BY M1 mic, which is available with just 750 rupees. If your laptop mic is not having certain good qualities, you can use this one as the best tools of mic. Then moving ahead, the next tool, that is Zoom, already you are using. I will just move quickly. Zoom you can download on your laptop like a mobile phone, and you can just open it. And if you want to create a videos, lectures with the help of Zoom, you just click on this. You just click on the meeting, and you know, you just lock your rooms, and you just share your presentation. And like I had shared the presentation, and just on the recordings. And you know, there is a button, stop recording, start recording button is there. आपको जो भी जिस presentation के ऊपर videos बनाना है, so वहाँ पे आप start the recording button, and you can start the videos of with the help of Zoom also. So just go ahead with this, and once you end the meeting, once you stop the recording, your videos get recorded and your entire video will stored on your in your laptop or desktop in the MP4 format. So आप videos you can prepare with the help of Zoom also. The difference between Zoom and the OBS Studio, here internet connection is required for the Zoom whenever you are making the videos. In OBS Studio, that is not required. The advantages of Zoom, the clarity, the voice clarity without and using any mic, you can use a very good clarity. And you can use the whiteboard. Anode, de-anode button is there. So I will show you some of the tools that you can use. So there are some of the tools like a poll that you can use in the Zoom meeting. So you can enable or disable waiting room. You can use a chat box. You can annotate and de-annotate. That tool also you can use. Zoom you can live, if it is a paid Zoom, you can live your session on YouTube, Facebook also. So this is some of the features that are available on Zoom. So that also you have to remember, and you can create a beautiful video lectures with the help of Zoom. There was so many demands about you are using a Google Meet, and G Suite is having an option of recording your video lectures on your Google Drive, but Gmail account is having no facility of recording lectures. So this is a question and query from so many people I had received, how to record a lecture on Google Meet. The second query I have received, that how to take an attendance on a Google Meet if you are using a live. So I am solving both problems of you. Now you had learn OBS Studio. Getting? जैसे आप मीटिंग चालू कर देते हो, as soon as you start before starting your Google Meet lecture, you have to start OBS Studio. Assign the start button of OBS Studio on button, and then minimize this. Once you start, your entire video gets started recording. Your entire video gets started recording. And you know that automatically file gets stored in your video wherever you had mentioned it. So the way that you know whatever the things that you had mentioned,
Moni Kumar, please mute yourself.
Okay. So moving ahead, so Google Meet. So you can. Had you understood what I mean to say? So Google Meet में option नहीं है recording session का, but you can record it with the help of OBS Studio, because OBS Studio will just, you have to minimize, and whatever in the screen, video, audio, that will be get recorded on your PC. So you just on your OBS Studio. I will show you the settings in the demonstration also, how you can go ahead. And secondly, about an attendance. So there is an attendance app. So this is a recording meeting is there in G Suite. If you are using G Suite, I have also G Suite account. And you know, you just start recording and minimize this, and this will be the recording get started, and you find there's this Meet that will get started. यहाँ पे start button. अगर आप मोबाइल यूज करते हो तो मैंने I had already told you, just a starter screen recorder. If you are using laptop or desktop, go with OBS Studio. If you are using mobile phone, go with the screen recorder. So these tools, you can record your video lectures of Google Meet. Then for an attendance, there is a Meet attendance app is there. So extension is there, that Google Chrome extension you will find. You just search on this, and this is a Chrome extension that you will get. So remove from Chrome, that you can add this. So Meet extension, and at initially this will come, and you find here in the extension that get added in the Google Chrome. At initial setting, you will get this kind of icon, in this kind of window. Just do the settings, proper settings here, and you can go ahead with this monitor attendance recommended. And these are certain things that you have to remember. So monitor attendance recommended, automatically remove, and auto save in CSV file. So you have to just click auto save in CSV file, monitor attendance. So that's where you just click on this. Automatically remove previous Meet checks recommended. You can click also if you want to remove. All these sessions will get recorded in CSV, or in that you can open in as an Excel file, and this way you can use it. And at the end, they will ask you, once you over your Google Meet lectures, your attendance is recorded like this. Vinod Malkar had joined this 16:25 1 minute and was present in 1 minute. So this way you will get a record how many students was present on a Google Meet with their name. So request again, you request all the students to join with their name and their email IDs, so that it becomes very easy to mark their attendance on a Google Meet. I hope you are getting my points and you are enjoying the session. It is too much lengthy, but try to learn some of these new tools that will help you. Moving ahead, the next software, if there is any query, you just put in the chat box. If possible, I will try to cover in the same session. So the next software that I am going to show you, that is Wondershare Filmora 9, which is very widely used. There is no need to take directly attendance. It is automatically get recorded. Even you will get the knowledge of which students attended how many times and when he has left. So there is no need to waste your time with this Google Meet by asking the attendance in the class. Filmora 9 is very high level software. It is a paid software, but you can get a tricks how to get it free, and you can very easily get other tricks. Filmora 9 is a very advanced level software used with an YouTubers also, At advanced level, if you have to create a videos, you can create it, download Filmora 9 on your on laptop or desktop. Whatever the video is, a video editing software, and you can add so many effects, like an Filmix app is there. At advanced level, these channels are also using this Filmora 9, and top ranked YouTubers are also using this Filmora 9. So you just input your videos, you can increase the sound of your video, you can change the background of your video. So many effects you can add. If you see the videos of lots of YouTubers, then they are using this Filmora 9 as the software. It's very easy to operate. There are so many, but I am going to suggest you Filmora 9 because it's very easily available. You can use it freely also, and very good effects are there, and you can do so many things like an 3D type of views or some things that you can go with this one, and you can just edit your videos, you can add your certain session, you can cut the videos, you can so many things you can do with this Wondershare Filmora 9. There are live sessions are also available. If you need on this as an the demonstrations, I will just give some of the tools. So you just go ahead with this also by using this. And the beauty of this, there are so many ready-made clips are available about nature or regarding your context. And if you want to use that clips also, you can use it as a background, and so many effects that you can give you with this Filmora 9. Then moving ahead with this, tomorrow, if time permits, we'll have some demonstration of this also, and you can use it. Then the next, that is renderforest.com. Animated videos are enjoying a lot by the kids, and there are so many, again, the softwares which helps you to prepare an animated videos. And I'm going to suggest you these two tools, that is RenderForest and another is Animix. So RenderForest is a very simple tools. You can use it, and you can go ahead with this. Just open this and create your account, and just whiteboard animation toolkit. You just click on this, log in with your Facebook or Google account, and you will get this whiteboard animation toolkit. I will show you how the way I had prepared this video with the help of RenderForest. And then whatever the video on which parameter that you have to prepare, so just add the tips. If I had added this paragraph, public relation is a strategic communication process, just copied of my one content, that is public relation, and public relations I had put this one paragraph. With the help of artificial intelligence, machine learning, high level of these tools using, and these website, these tools having millions of these animated pictures they are having, and according to your text, they will automatically match and they will create the video. You have to just add a background voice about that project. So, if you are a physics teacher and you have to teach one paragraph, you just copy that paragraph and put on this RenderForest, and you just click on this generate project. Very fastest method. They will automatically convert in the sentence format, and they will suggest you. This is 1 minute videos you can create with a very simple ways with a free of cost. Some simple with a nominal cost, some paid version is also available. Sometimes with the schools, they are having certain free packages also. If you are interested, you just go and you just create. So I inputted this paragraph. They had created my entire videos on this, and I can share this, and this I can publish it to the students. And this way public relation is strategic communication process. So these animations they had suggested, and very simple ways, laws, definitions of 1 minute, 2 minutes. Just if you are using this free version, there is at the corner free vendor forest logo will come, and that's okay. But you can the students are love such a kinds of videos if you not find the stuffs which is related to your course, and be the part of this online content by creating your own content related to your course. And the last tool that I'm going to show you about this video creation, that is Animeez. Animeez also you can use, you can directly use, you can download on your online way, and you can use it. So so just again go on a whiteboard and you write whatever you want to type, and then you select. There are so many letters and tools that you can use. Sometimes whenever you are watching the videos, you find somebody is writing with a very fast rate as a video. So these are the videos generally prepared with this whiteboard animated software like Animeez. There are so many, as I told you, Doodle is one of the famous whiteboard animated software are used, but it's a paid. Many of is a paid software, but I am trying to show you with a simple. I know so many things, but I am trying to show you one element only on that line. So if you had selected the hand and you selected the speed, and there is a mic is also available, you just on the mic and the speed that you can select, and just on these things, and then you will create the videos, and just videos get published, and in which format you want the video, MP4, MOV. So they will ask you, and just you share, and your video gets ready. Marketing is CCDV, TP, create, communicate, deliver values. Your video gets created with the help of Animeez. You can adjust the speed, and students will love these kinds of videos also if you had used the good sounds.